Today's front clip is a 2023 Jeep Wagoneer. This particular front, the gentleman is picking it up, and thank goodness, because this thing is massive. We're not even sure that a freight company would be willing to carry it. As you can see, the front bumper cover has been removed. We did that in order to protect it sitting on the skid because of how big this thing is. If we didn't remove it, we would end up flexing and probably crushing the bumper cover. So while it's not pictured, it is included with the front clip. It's just stored in a secure location at this point, so it doesn't get damaged back here where things tend to move around. So as you can see, this one is set up like normal. There's no dash. Includes the headlight and the fenders. And this one has the flares as well. The splash shields and fender liners are tucked up underneath there. Headlight's good shape. Grille looks good. All the cooling is in place under the hood. My guys just washed it, so typically not wet, but the gentleman picking this up is coming from a good distance, so I want to get him as much information as I can and not delay, because he's got a long drive and it's cold right now. Get you in the hood, you can see what we include with this front end. So as I said before, I just flicked the camera light on here. So rad condenser fans, washer tank, and this one is tucked up underneath there. You can see the overflow bottle over there. Bottom half of the airbox is sitting there. The remaining pieces and the cover are contained within that bag, as well as a lot of extra plastics. Any miscellaneous stuff that we think might be loose and fall out is included in there. AC lines, radiator hoses. We cap and plug things. We don't cut. Hood insulation. Of course, the wiring harness is still under there. We didn't pull that out. And again, being so big, I've never shipped one of these, and I'm not convinced that a freight company will take it, or if it would be safe to do it because of the size. So if you're picking it up, this one measures out at a full 87 long, 87 wide. And I didn't do the height measurement because, quite frankly, that normally doesn't matter a whole lot. That skid that we have it sitting on, we use it to transport around here, around the building and our facilities, between our two facilities. It's loosely strapped to it. If you're planning on picking something up at Weber Brothers, as always, please bring wrapping materials and straps. We have them, but we sell them at cost, and even through Uline, they are not cheap. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can reach me by the phone, 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112, or, of course, you can find me here on YouTube. You already found that. Or Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. You'll find me. Thanks for watching.